friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on Clash of Clans app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to Clash of Clans. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Clash of Clans. You can click here and you can update your app if you'll find update here in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.